Good morning, everyone. Are you ready for another latch bar review? Well, that's what we're going to do this morning. We are going to have our usual product review. Let me set my timer so I'll know exactly how much time we have, and we will get started. So, this is the LW500 latch bar exercise system. Our system is a attachment system for resistance band usage, strap usage, and also chain usage. We have a 9-piece set, which is a patented set. Brand name, LW500 latch bar exercise system. And we do have a logo. This is our logo. So we'll start off with the flat latch bar pieces. We have a single flat latch bar. All flat latch bars, these three on this side, just three, are wall mountable latch bars. And of course, they're portable and can be used as standalone devices. You have a basic latch bar. You have a deluxe flat latch bar. You have a sit-on, lay-on latch bar. You have some somewhat matching pieces over on the other side as the round latch bar, usually referred to as the upper latch bar. These are the round bars. That's a single. They come as a pair. This is the basic. This is the deluxe. And if you want to call it the super deluxe, we have our squat press bar inside our sleeve here. All bars come with a plastic sleeving over the top for protection and sanitary purposes, and also for grip purposes. Here you have a set of elevators, which are used to elevate the deluxe bar off the floor so that you may conduct a sit-up, a push-up, pardon me. Our system also comes with the adjusting straps that are used to do the sit-ups or crunches or other various things that you may use straps for, including isometrics. So they come with the necessary hardware and also with a grip handle. I don't supply these, but you can also use thigh straps, which are available on the market. The system will come with an owner's manual where you'll see various exercises being conducted using the system. And depending on what you are purchasing, it may or may not come with a starter bag or a shoulder bag, should I say. The basic deluxe system comes with a shoulder bag. It's called a package. Most things related to on my website as a package comes with a shoulder bag. Now, you might wonder what kind of shoulder bag we're talking about. For the basic product, this is a basic latch bar. This would be the bag that it comes with. For the deluxe package, we have generic carry bags. This would be the bag for the deluxe package. Now, Some packages will come with resistance bands. Some will come without resistance bands. You can buy or purchase individual components. If you only want to purchase this, you can purchase this component. If you just want to purchase this component, you can purchase this component. We have sets, we have pairs, however you would want to purchase it. You can purchase these two items together. The basic upper, basic lower. These only come as a pair, so if you purchase this, you would purchase this as a pair. Deluxe flat, deluxe round as a pair. There's no pair for the squat bar. It's universal. It'll work with the deluxe flat bar. It'll work with any of these bars. So any of these are interchangeable. Our resistance bands come with 4 resistance bands. That would go along with our basic or our deluxe system packages. They will come with stackable resistance bands and also a set of ankle straps and another set of hand grips. So in the basic component set, you would get a number of items and you would be able to do a full body workout immediately. In the basic package, you would get these items here. That would be the basic latch bar, the single latch bar, 4 resistance bands along with another set of grips, a set of ankle straps, the upper latch round bar, and a set of hand grips. This system sells for $159. For the deluxe, oh, I'm sorry, I left out the set of, one most very, very important item, the set of straps. This set of straps also come with the basic deluxe system. Now, basic latch bar exercise system. Pardon me. I'm rather tongue-tied this morning. My apologies. The deluxe system comes with all of these items here. That would be your set of straps. That's a strap harness assembly. It has hardware and also hand grips. You would have the latch bar hand grips, a full set of resistance bands with another set of hand grips, and also a set of ankle straps, the single latch bar, the elevator set, and also the sit-on, lay-on latch bar upper and lower deluxe latch bars, along with the carry bag. The carry bag would come with the basic package as well as the deluxe package. Now you can turn this into an extreme package rather quickly. The only thing you would need to do, we would just add another set of heavy duty. They're called extreme resistance bands. And you would get another set of hand grips with 3 heavy duty extreme type resistance bands. For another 20 bucks, that's $179 with the carry bag. And the basic extreme, we would extract these items I'm sorry, that was $279 with those items. And the basic would come with extreme. I should be referring to my manual over here because all the prices and everything right here. The basic package is $159. The deluxe package is $229. The Deluxe Extreme is $249. And then there's a ton of different combinations that you would see on the website that come with and also without resistance bands. It all depends. Many of you may already have resistance bands, so you may not even need resistance bands, and your resistance bands most likely will work if they have a carabiner on the resistance band, or even if they don't have a carabiner. You can just attach most resistance bands with the carabiner, as we do using the flat type resistance bands. So the flat, the round, being the tubular, all of them work with the latch bar system. The mountable product are the flat ones, as I had indicated. You have the deluxe latch bar over here, which is mounted in 3 different places for convenience of working out, so that I can conduct my workout and demonstrate to you how to use the product. We also have the basic latch bar, which is mounted vertically over here. Once again, for me to demonstrate and take advantage of the usage of the product, not only for me to demonstrate, because I work out, I use the product just like I want you to use the product. So let's get with the program. Followed up with this presentation, we do a latch bar workout. So I know you can't see my pages here, but we have a manual here, or a product manual that has many different products. In fact, I can bring it closer and then you can really get a good look. All right, we have products, there's 3 different packages on that page, and on this page you have another 6 different packages. All right, and these are combination packages. Like I said, they come with or without resistance bands. We'll even sell you the resistance bands. All right, you can see the component at the bottom, where the bottom of each page, where you have one item there, and on the bottom here, you have several different items. So you can buy items in groups, you can buy items separate like this, and they're all listed on the website, www.LW500products.net. And there you have it. So if you go to the website, You'll be able to take a look at all the products. Like I said, the website is www.LW500products.net. And that's going to conclude our presentation. We're going to follow this up with the latch bar workout. Stay tuned. Be right back.